Have you ever wondered why crackers have holes? It's a question that might have crossed your mind while enjoying your favorite snack. The answer is not merely an aesthetic choice or a manufacturing quirk, it's nestled within the fascinating world of baking science and the specific composition of these crunchy delights. These seemingly insignificant perforations are more than meets the eye. Believe it or not, these tiny holes play a huge part in your cracker's texture and taste. Crackers, like any baked goods, start off as dough. This dough undergoes a fascinating scientific transformation when it's introduced to heat. You see, the majority of doughs contain leavening agents such as yeast or baking powder. These agents release gas during the baking process, causing the dough to rise and become fluffy. Now, when we're talking about most baked goods, this is an absolute boon. Who doesn't love a good fluffy loaf of bread or a light airy cupcake? However, when it comes to crackers, this process can cause a bit of a problem. Crackers are meant to be thin and crispy, not puffed up and uneven. The gas bubbles created by the leavening agents can cause the dough to rise in unpredictable ways, potentially ruining the desirable characteristics of a cracker. This is where the small holes come into play. The holes in crackers are actually called docking holes. These little punctures are made by a machine aptly named a docker, which serves a crucial purpose. They allow gas to escape during the baking process. Without these docking holes, crackers would puff up like balloons and cook unevenly. They ensure that your cracker is perfectly crisp and flat, just as a good cracker should be. So the next time you enjoy a cracker, remember the vital role those tiny holes play in making it just right.